Awakening is life.
The most popular milestones of mystical journey are that don't end with this life. And the fish spirals down to the bottom of the ocean. The original text of the Oxfording pictures was written by and the ripples reach the ends of the universes.
You are watching Mystical Journey serial.
Before starting the adventurous mystical journey, it is good to know the geography of the mystical journey. The most popular milestones of mystical journey are the 10 ox-herding pictures of Zen. You can see these pictures adorning the walls of Zen temples in China, Japan and Korea. These pictures depict the ox herd searching, tracing, finding, taming, training and bringing back home the ox. The ox is the ultimate reality, the Buddha nature, our original face, the ground of our very existence. The ox herd is you and me, the little self. It starts out separately but ultimately realizes itself as the true self. These pictures elegantly explain the deep awakening and the infinite unfolding of our consciousness.
To get this series of videos, click the subscribe button and the like button below this video.
Now it is time to make cautions. You should not view these milestones in a straight line. They imply non-linear, multi-dimensional progression and ever-growing, sprawling, spiral evolution. Remember, you can skip certain stages, jump around, and even go back and forth according to your spiritual maturity. As the fish spirals down to the bottom of the ocean, you have to cycle through these stages many times. At each rung of a never-ending spiral bestows a deeper level of enlightenment and realization. Recall, the mystical journey has no goal or destination. The very journey is enlightening. The journey spews like the volcano awe and wonder, love, joy, peace, grace, clarity, and sparkling wisdom.
This is Boundless Way for Timeless Living Channel.
The original text of the ox-herding pictures was written by the 12th century Zen master Huan Xiang. His grandson disciple Jian added the calligraphic pictures. Huan adopted the ancient Taoistic ox story and appended 2 stages to make it the classical 10 stages. Following the Huan's style, I have also added 2 more stages, namely sacrificing and spirit-filled activities. The Huan's final stages show the blooming of the new life and entering into the ministerial life in this world. My last two stages point further to the suffering and sacrificing and invigorating people even after death. My set of 12 neoclassical Oxfording pictures are more complete and point to the holistic Zen path of evolution into the absolute, the unmanifested. Although enlightenment and realization start in this life on earth, they don't end with this life. They go beyond and forever. Although enlightenment and realization start with me, they don't end with me. They reverberate in the whole cosmos, and the ripples reach the ends of the universes.
Thank you for watching. Please like it and subscribe it. Share it with your friends and groups. Register your valuable comments in YouTube.